Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. All right, let's check out Disney here. Also another similar example. Here is one right here. Here was our breaking out point earlier. So that was it right there. And then you can see we've had some, nice movements there. But then, once we look at here was our breakdown of the pattern. You can see this stock got into a little bit of these highs. You've had some resistance right there. And when you really check it out, it really kind of coincides with the support that was right here. So this is your range. So here's your support. In case you want to get really technical about it. I know some people are like, it doesn't line up. So there's your resistance. Here's your upward trending support line. Here's your breaking down level right there. So the stock is breaking down, and look at this bearish volume that's starting to form. This is not usually not a healthy sign in the stock market. So if we look at this, is it possible that we are in a ABCD pattern? Absolutely. Could it still come back right here and hold support? This is support. It could. So watch for a possible support level down below. This is what I would watch, is that somewhere around that 80 level. But right now, the patterns that you see are a bit bearish in nature in some stocks, not all of them. Some are still doing just fine, but you can see some of the other stocks that have been doing well are topping out. So in this case, again, you could say bearish, you could say I'm neutral, but I'm not bullish in these cases. Okay, let's take a look at here, AMD. There's another one that here's your resistance overhead. So you've got resistance. You can see here's your shooting star. Here was a little clue for you, or was it Graves? I don't know the exact dojis. I can't remember the names of them, but what you could see is it had strength and then it came back down. And when it came back down, that means there's weakness in that bar. That's what you have to know and understand, is that what's the energy of the bars. You don't have to worry about the names. So here's your support level in this one. Here is our breaking down level, and you can see this bearish volume starting to build. So this almost looks like a triangle pattern here, and that pattern is now breaking down below the level. Now, does that mean you have to go full-fledged bearish? No. So don't think about it that way. But we are showing some weakness. I wouldn't be as bullish, because right now we're kind of lining up right here. Here's some support, maybe right around 50-ish. It could hold there, but it doesn't have to. And you can see it's lining up in a few spots. but it may not hold here. So just be cautious. Doesn't mean it can't pull back to other levels down below. So anyways, that's another insight for you on another stock, as you can see, having a little bit more trouble and weakness. All right, let's look at Etsy here. This one's doing well. It's had a nice ABCD pattern to the upside. Actually, let's go to more like a 3-day on this one. So take a look at this. This had kind of like a to B to C to D pattern that's being created. So continues to do well, and the stock continues to move. And you can see that the volume actually is still picking up. So I like this one. As always, I will say though, take profits. Always take some profits into strength. But this one continues to be strong. I guess all the masks that are being built are on Etsy. Etsy's starting to be the dominant force on mask building and mask creation. So anyways, this one continues to do well. Just be careful right here. You're starting to create a little rounding top. Possible area of concern, maybe. But you know, a little bit of a rounding thing there, but nothing to be too worried about. But if it, you know, you are stretched again, you were down in the 30s, now you're in the 100s. So of course I'd be worried or a little more cautious about these things. You know, you can't just keep pushing these things higher and higher. Okay, so there you go. I hope you got some good insight from watching this little video clip of what's inside the member section. It's kind of like a little video preview. And I hope you go ahead and join us and sign up, because that way you'll brush up and learn a little bit more about the technicals, how the market works, and just how stocks move and behave. Now, if you want to go ahead and join us, go ahead and go to the TradersFly website and go to that members section right here. So it's tradersfly.com, and then you can head on over to the members section. If you just want to go ahead and grab some freebies, feel free, go to the freebies section. There's a ton of freebies over here as well. And you could go ahead and knock your socks off and download all those if you want. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe by clicking the link right here, or join us on the newsletter list so that way you get notified as we release other great things, webinar announcements, that kind of stuff, by clicking the link right here. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.